way that I understand it, that you've kind of helped women connect with taking charge of their health through dealing with their lymphatic system and getting it moving is like 2 minutes a day, and you make it fun. Tell me about that.
Yeah, I think it's a little bit like me to make things fun.
Doesn't quite work.
We brush our teeth every day. Like, you run your tongue along your teeth and you're like, feels a bit yuck. You can't run your tongue like through your body, but you can feel sluggish. You can feel like your bowels aren't working properly. You can feel bloated. Your immune system, you aren't healing properly as you used to do. You don't have the energy levels. You could have brain fog as well. Any type of disease, any type of congestion around your joints, arthritis, all of that is to do with a sluggish body. And if those toxins can't get out, your lymphatic system is, under pressure, and you are a, fish stuck in a dirty tank.
Mm-hmm.
So easily to brush. I discovered this in clinic over 29 years ago, just by brushing your body, like you brush your teeth every day, but in the correct sequence, is going to unlock and move this liquid, this really, it can become thick, it can become glunky and hard. Women feel their breasts, and then you can feel lumps and bumps through the chest. And it doesn't have to mean that it's anything nasty at all. It could just be some rocks in the drain that we can clear. We've had women come in with sore breasts after 4 years. They come in and have one session and that soreness is gone.
Just by doing that lymphatic massage sequence that you showed.
Just by doing the sequence.